សាប់ស្វាយជាមួយទឹកត្រីហើយញ៉ាំជាមួយបបរ
Ball pack.
Ball pack. Oh, it's very delicious. And I also have some canned food here, some canned green mustard and some chili, canned pickle, cucumber. It's so delicious. It's perfect with the ball. And this kind of weather, it's a little bit gloomy, but it's good. It's not hot and it's not cold. It's perfect weather. Okay, that's it. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching my video. Peace out.